Welcome to physics class. So we have the north is 90 degrees, east is 0 degrees or 360 degrees, and then we have the west part, which is 80 degrees, the coordinates, and then we have 90 degrees there. We are required to find the velocity due northerly velocity. So that's going to be the velocity given is 835 kilometer per hour, and that multiplied by sine, so that's going to be 90 degrees plus that's plus for 1.5 degrees. No. And that will give us 835 degrees, multiplied by, should be negative. Yeah, I think it's positive. Yeah, it should be positive. So it's cos for 1.5 degrees. So let's just check. It's 835 multiplied by cos for 1.5. It gives us 625. So that's going to be 625, which is kilometer per hour. All right. So is that negative? No, that should be positive. Yeah, so that's positive. And then we have velocity due west, so that's going to be the velocity we have, 835 kilometer per hour multiplied by cos, that's going to be 90 degrees, so that's going to be 90 degrees plus for 1.5 degrees, and that one there should be 835 kilometer per hour multiplied by the cos changes to sine, so it's going to be negative sine for 1.5 degrees. And once again we can check with our calculator. That's 835 multiplied by sine for 1.5, and that gives us negative 553 kilometer per hour. So negative meaning east west actually, so it's going to be 553 kilometer per hour west. And then the next one, we require to find distance. So the change in displacement will be, towards north will be velocity north multiplied by time. And we know that our velocity north is 625 km per hour and our time is 1.75 hour. So that's 625 km per hour multiplied by 175 hour, and then 625 multiplied by 17.75 will give us 10094, rounding off. So that is gonna be 10094 kilometer, because the hour cancels each other. And then displacement on the westerly direction, so that's going to be the western distance, velocity multiplied by time, and that's our value for western direction. That's 553 kilometer per hour, and that multiplied by the time in hour, it's 1.75 hours. So hours cancel each other, so left with distance, so that's 553 multiplied by 1.75 to give us 968 when you're rounding off. So 968 kilometer, yeah, that's the distance traveled. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to follow or subscribe.